Welcome guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to sort Excel by alphabetical order. So guys, if you want to sort Excel by alphabetical order, so very easy. Firstly open Excel, after click on data and here click firstly select it, after click on sort, after click on this drop and click on A to Z, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. If you want to sort Excel by alphabetical order, firstly click on data, after click on sort and click on this drop, click on A to Z and click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.